What's going on YouTube? Hands Down Aquatics Fish Room Tour. We've got Fred and Ethel here, Gold Morph Maniguents, with some of their young left. Taking them out little by little. There's Fred, Ethel. And we got Apollo and Daphne here, Wildmore Snooks. Another 20 days or so they'll breed again and have another spawn going. Apollo's looking good. Getting hungry. Stunning fish. He's got a couple little bettas here. So I find out what tanks I want to set up for him. A little female. Beautiful little violet female. Getting him all riled up. And you got Howie, murderer. Getting all fired up. I bulletproofed a nice divider. Ain't no way he's knocking that down. And there's Odie. And get him all nice and noogle humped up and get him glass banging for me. Colors are coming in nice and good. He's about 4 years old or so. Yeah, he's looking good. You can't tell how he's all riled up. Not making another mistake with these dividers with him. Got Pistachio, our little soft shell turtle here. He's doing good. We can throw him into a nice big tank soon. You know, didn't have him too long. Was conditioning him and quarantining him. But yeah, he's doing real good. Get him in a nice big tank. You got this nice big, huge male axolotl here. He's just a wet pet. A friend of mine had him. And then over here, didn't anticipate pairing them off, but that's a female. They've had about 3 or 4 broods of babies. There's a male back there. Looks exactly like the other male. She's a heavy eater, man. Looks like she might be getting ready to go again soon. Maybe I'll raise them up this time. If anybody's interested in axolotl, let me know and I'll save a batch and raise them up. And you got mostly Geophagus of types in here. Those two have paired off. They're not even the same type. But they've paired off and bred once. He didn't do the job. You got Dick and Jane Amphilophus labiatus there. That Heterospilus has paired off with that convict cichlid, unfortunately. He's deformed. I got him from work. Nice big Dempsey grown out. Feste. F1. Nicaraguan Dovi. I believe that's female. They always uproot that plant. There's my F1 True Parrot from Raps. My buddy gave that to me. James Decker gave me these 2 girls. Some more Dick and Jane growths. Little Brasiliensis. You got a couple more F1 Nicaraguan Dovi. Oh, he's a camera hog. I got Jaws 2, my vulture cat. African eeltail cat. Got some good looking plecos in here. There's a leopard cactus behind in there somewhere. This is my throw together until I set them up tank. They're all doing fairly well. This one's a beaut. Starts with a D. I can't remember the full name. Discons or something like that. Absolute beauty. There's another male starting out the Dovi. And then Poseidon Amphitrite. He's nuts. F1 Lagoxilla Maniguents. Dude, that's the reason why you ain't got no teeth, man. Chill. He's going ape because they got another brood that just became free swimming. And he gets them dizzy. She must be going after some that are left over from last. But yeah, he's crazy. I try to keep him calm. Turn the lights on as a trip. And you got Oscar the male here and Emmy the female. Pun intended there. With their babies, their first batch of Dovi. These are Costa Rican Dovi. Got a good batch of babies are growing nice and big. Doing really good first time parents. She's such a beauty. He's good too, man. He's finally coming out of his shell. Finally starting to come out of his shell. Kind of glad you didn't grab him, Scott. What a beauty. And this is 2 different spawns of the gold Maniguents babies. Their first spawn and their second spawn. Got anything from 3 to 4 inch up to 1 inch or down to 1 inch. You got some Axilla Poseidon Amphitrite babies in here too. From one of their spawns growing out. Got some snails doing the nasty down there. Yeah, these are looking good. These are for sale. Been real good. Got tons of them. And big boy tank. Some Amphilophus I'm moving on. And female F1 Nicaraguan Midas. That Bifa, it starts with a G, the location. That's my female hunter and Maniguents. Getting a male for her soon. You got Bar Labiatus. F3 Bar Labiatus there for sale. Oh look, Sheldon the Oscar, the watchdog. Big old boy. Boris. And Glare sucks. There's Humphrey. Hoga, F1 Hoga. Boris F1 Rio Tempique. Midas. There's another Bar Labiatus. That big beef is for sale. That's a Chacamax female Rivolatus. That's a Bruce and Cherry fur right there. F3 Labiatus. There's Chewy, the big cat. He's getting a 600-gallon tank in about a month or so. Nice big 600-gallon pond inside down in the basement. Delhaize. Got an ornate back there. 2 big Senegals. And the largest Gibbous Speckled I have ever seen. Absolutely huge. And Sonic back there. He lost his tail when he was young. He's a Bruce and Cherry fry. There's Mayan cichlids in here as well. There's Garfield. She's Odie's sibling, the orange one over there. You gotta excuse this sick Oscar. I'm treating her. Got something going on. Possibly egg bound. And Zelda. There you go, Austin. Zelda, she's gorgeous. Proven fertile female. These are the Wild Morph Snook. These are batch number 3. Batch I was able to pull out and grow out before they ate them. They're so horrible when they're young. These are for sale. I wasn't going to sell any. I was going to hoard them to myself. But I'll sell some. I think they're big enough ready for sale. They're about an inch or so. So if you're interested, hit me up. Got some Vampire Plecos in here. Some Gold Nugget Pleco. Down there, 2 different types from Wraps. They're heading in here somewhere. And in here, got some of the bigger Lago Auxiliwa Jaguar groats. Got some Heterospilus, Orinoco Oscar. That Geophyrum right there. And where's the other one at? The other one's around here somewhere. I had a bunch, but killed everybody off except for the two. And they've been acting like a pair, even that young. They're definitely pairing up even that young. Whether or not they're opposite sex, I don't know. That Orinoco Oscar, he killed off everybody but himself. Got a bullfrog growing up. Stoked to have these Geophyriums. Definitely be getting more different bloodline mix in there. Different wraps. The Heterospilum, they're gorgeous. And these are Auxiliwa Jags from Poseidon Amphitrite. I keep every batch just to see, why not. Glass cats. Got Gymnogeophagus Patovi Blues from my buddy Ken Davis. They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait for them to get bigger. And I got fire eels growing out in here somewhere. Yeah, there's one. I like keeping a good bit of mulm on the bottom for the babies. These guys are gorgeous. Oh yeah, there's the very first snook. You can see from the very first batch of snook. He's a lone survivor. Alright. And here's my keeper male Nicaraguan Dovi. He's so blue. So ridiculously blue. He's from Orion, he's F1. Can't wait to grow him out. He's got a nice new home going. I got him in this small tank here to try to break him out of a shell. A little stressed right now. Man, he's blue. This is my outdoor tub here. I just threw some gold Meniguents and Lago Auxiliwa Meniguents. Coming up the surface to eat. Nighttime. These are starting to flower, these plants here too, looking good. Hard to see, getting dark. There's some swimming down in there. And here you go, Justin, that's where Gunner's son is. Real mag, male, he's about 8 inches or so. He's in here with a big bullfrog. I think I'm gonna move him on to a different pond and let the bullfrog have this one before it becomes a problem. Water's crystal clear in there now. But he blends in so well you can't see him unless you get his freckles. To take him out for photos. Anyways guys, that's a small little tour, hands down aquatics fish room. I've only been in this house about 8 months, give or take. So it's a work in progress, building it down in the basement, so I gotta stick the tanks up in one of the living rooms. So we'll see, I'll get a full tour or a how-to as I'm going along, getting it all set up. Hope you enjoyed. Just look for more updates. Thanks again. Peace.